Hey guys. Okay, so it is currently raining like a ton right now. And I'm decided to make this video. So it'll be cool. Okay, so we're gonna like fast forward me dancing in the rain. It's a raining man. Okay, I'll stop. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's pouring right now. Look, I'll show you guys. Look, like, can you see this action though? Like, it's pouring right this instant. Okay, you guys get it, right? Oh, my camera fell. Okay. All right, let's start the video now.
Straight off the plane to a new hotel. Just touched down, you could never tell. A big house party with the crowded kitchen. People talk, but we don't listen. Tell me that I'm wrong, but I do what I please. Way too many people in the Addison Lane. Now I'm at the age when I know what I need. Oh, whoa. Midnight Paris. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, you and me, storming in the street. Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it. Midnight Paris. Oh, oh, oh. Anywhere we go, never say no. Just do it, do it, do it, do it. 5 foot something with the skin and jeans. Don't look back, baby, follow me.
Hey guys, that's the end of my video. I guess. Yeah. It's fun out here. I'm like dancing in the rain. My hair's like kind of wet. Like, can you see? Yeah. Okay. Did you guys see my attempt to do a cartwheel? That's not how I do a cartwheel. It's like hard because I'm wearing heavy clothing. So yeah. And it's like, there's another person. Oh. Alright guys, so that's the end of me video. And I hope you guys like it. I'm probably gonna get sick, but you know, it's for you guys. Oh, that was supposed to be a heart. I was like this. I was like this. Yeah. Alright, I love you guys. Peace out, Girl Scouts.